my beautiful friend,
Barbara.
and we are about to partake in day number 5 of 22 push-ups a day. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this. Steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't
I'm
say
getting
7.
there.
You're doing amazing.
I'm
8,
getting there.
9, 10. Come on, what's happening? No, wardrobe malfunction. I've lost count. Wait a minute. 11.
17. 18.
Really?
19. 20. 21.
22. Woohoo! Hi, 10, sister. Love you.
Love you too, dear.
Peace, you guys. Good luck out there. Mwah.